Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and I'm back. I'm back. I'm back with another video. Everybody, let's go. Check out my video. Everybody, let's go. Check it, video. Check out my video. Anyway, still got my morning coffee. If you saw my breakfast this morning, that video, you saw me making my coffee. My daughter and I, Shesheeshena, are going to check out some new makeup at Sephora, and we'd love for you guys to tag along. So let's go. 'Cause it's too cold for you here and now, so let me hold both your hands in those. 'Cause it's too cold for you here. Y'all, here we are at the JCPenney's, and there's a Sephora inside. I'm about to go in here and get me some Fenty concealer. Been dying to try it. And I'm going to get me some Huda Beauty foundation. That's why I don't have no makeup on my face, because we're going to match it up. Let's go.
These Sephora lip creams are the best. I'm just telling you. If y'all never tried them, they are the most comfortable, transfer-proof liquid lipstick. Just a little tip. Just a little tip. And everybody always has this for Sellies.
Oh, those oils?
Yeah. Everybody always has them, and they're like head over heels about them, but I heard they're like way overrated and overhyped.
Yeah, I'm not paying $54 for no oil.
Right. And then there's the little itty bitty Tasha Denora palettes. They're $25 for the little ones. Look at that.
Boom. That's crazy.
The packaging. I love her packaging.
That is crazy.
And her liquid lipsticks.
Those are so
She's got
pretty.
a chocolate. Yes. I heard the red is the best red ever.
Girl, I love this packaging. It looks like like a nail polish.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
You know, I like me a good black.
Uninvited.
That one up.
This is called Uncuffed. Uncuffed. That's a nice mauve. I don't really do a mauve lip that often. I think it looks crazy on me.
Look at that red, because you're always talking about how you never have your perfect red.
And this is uncensored. Beautiful looking red. Oh wow, this is a true red. Swatch it on my little rusty hand. Sorry y'all. I know I need some lotion. Don't judge me. It's cold outside.
Yeah. 20 degrees.
That really actually might work.
Yeah.
I would ombre with this.
It's a nude.
I would do an ombre for sure.
Watch it. It's like a peachy nude.
Yeah, I'm there. I mean, I have a ton of chocolate lips, but
I know.
this one is catching my eye for some reason.
Oh my goodness. Let me get a little swatch.
And I have a chocolate that looks like this. I know I do.
I feel like I haven't had a chocolate like this since you know who. We won't name those names that I got rid of.
He who shall remain nameless.
Exactly.
Like what's his name? Voldemort.
Right.
On these concealers, where they at? Because I
Right
need
here?
to match it up.
They're all right here.
I'm way down there. Well, actually not way down, but I want a brightening.
370. That looks too bright. This is 400. And I'm shade 420 in my foundation.
It's not a good.
That's not a good highlight for me. Do you think?
Can't see it good. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The way your hand is tilted, you can't see it good. There you go. A little dark.
Because I'm 420 in my foundation.
Okay.
I'm warm. 420.
Okay. Hi. We're back.
Yes. And this cute little bag, Sephora, JCPenney's, and Avon. Shout out to them for being so kind.
Yes, the manager was amazing.
Yes, she was, and very helpful.
Very helpful, and she didn't mind that we filmed a little bit.
Yeah. So the bag says eat, sleep, hydrate, repeat, which is really cute. It's a little tote. And inside are goodies. Tons and tons and tons and tons. It's a little sample bag that she gave you.
Oh, I can't wait to dig up into that and see what's in there.
And then you use
home.
your points.
I use my points. And got some, is that Peter Thomas?
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is always good.
You know, that's what you get when you're a beauty insider kind of person.
So we both got the new Rihanna Fenty setting powder. This is nutmeg. We both got the Fenty concealers that are new to try out.
So on the Fenty concealers, I have the 370 and my daughter has the 390 for a brightening under eye effect.
Yes, because as you guys know, I'm 420 in my foundation and you're 430?
410.
410, okay. And then Mom got the Huda Beauty faux filter foundation in the shade Cinnamon, which is 440G. And I got the same foundation, but I got mine in the shade 500 Mocha. And Life's a Beach Tarte Sea Glass eyeshadow. I'm so excited about this. It's such a pretty color, and I couldn't get it off, so
Let you know it's
gonna stay.
good quality.
And this is Mom's.
Brazilian Bum Bum. It's Brazilian Crush. It's the body mist to their Bum Bum cream. I love their Bum Bum cream. If you guys never tried Brazilian Bum Bum cream, you should. It smells amazing. It is nice. It's thick. It rubs into the skin really nicely, and it's supposed to get rid of those little lumps that you have on your thighs. You know,
Does this
cellulite.
smell like the cream?
It smells exactly like the cream. It's amazing.
All right. All right, you guys. So, yeah, that is our Sephora haul. Now we are going to go to Ulta just to check out some brushes, you know, see what they have. And then we'll go to Target. Mom needs another SD card. She's been doing a lot of filming, so
somebody's going to be doing a lot of editing.
that'd be me.
So I can actually start my channel. I mean, I've started it, but you guys don't know it
Right.
because there's nothing uploaded. But I've got tons of footage. It's crazy how much footage.
Yeah, she has a lot. So I'm going to work on that today, start getting her videos uploaded to her channel while I have the day off. So yeah, you guys will be able to check that out real soon. So we'll see y'all when we pull up to Ulta. I'm not even going to try to film in there because they probably going to be extra picky. Because
They be acting stank.
yeah, Ulta be acting kind of funny sometimes. So, but I do like the one in Westlake better than the one in North Olmsted. Sorry, both of my friends work at the one in North Olmsted, but the one in Westlake just has more because it's a newer store. So they have more product and new product. So yeah, we'll see you guys there.
In my personal struggle life. Because it don't be one to zip.
We have made it to Ulta. Mom's struggling with her bag over there.
I know. I'm about to be mad in a minute now.
So yep, there's Ulta.
We're
About to go up in there, so we'll see you in a little bit.
Now, so let me hold both your hands in the holes of my sweater.
Now we're gonna head over to this HomeSense store, check it out and see what they
everybody's
have.
always on YouTube talking about home sense. I want to know what's in here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure it's a home store, like a Home Goods or something like that, but why not check it out? We're out here. Might as well see everything we can before we head on home.
Yep. So we're gonna go on in there, guys.
And guess what, you guys? I have been wanting to try Indian food so bad, and I didn't know where to find it, but right over here is Cafe Tandoor. It's Indian cuisine, so I will definitely be doing a mukbang at Cafe Tandoor coming up soon.
It's right over there. Well, guys, HomeSense isn't open yet. It's brand new. They're still working on getting it together. So, coming soon. Mom said we're going to check it out when they open. So now,
We are
we are
headed home.
yes, we are leaving. And it is starting to snow again lately. And I got to get on home before it gets slick.
I ain't scared of the slit.
I'm talking about me.
No.
So yes, that is it for today, you guys. Mom and I are going to be filming tomorrow.
Yes, we are. Another mukbang.
Yes.
I would tell you what it is, but you're going to have to just tune in.
You have to wait and see.
Yep. So get out of here, you crazy kids.